Hello, I'm Anu from Just Tutors, and in today's video we are going to learn about multiplications. So let's move ahead and see the topics that we are going to learn in this lesson. So we are going to learn how to multiply any 3-digit number by a 1-digit number and then multiply any 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So let's move forward and try out these warm-up questions. So these are the 4 warm-up questions. You can pause this video and try out all of them, and once you are done you can resume and check your answers. Here are the answers. Very well done for trying these questions, and congratulations if you are correct. Now let's get started with the topic. Here's the first topic, that is multiplying any 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. So we are going to start with multiplying any multiple of a multiple of 100 by a 1-digit number. So there's this example of 300 times 3, where 300 is the multiple of 100. So let's proceed. We can write 300 as 3h, where h represents 100. Now 300 times 3 can be written as 3h times 3, which is equal to 9h, and as we already know that h represents 100, so 9h is going to be 900. Therefore 300 times 3 is equal to 900. Now let's try one more question. 7 times 800, and here 800 can be written as 8h. So 8h times 7 makes 56h, which is 56 hundredths, which we can write as 5,600. Now we will move ahead towards multiplying any 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So there's this example, 452 times 4. We can write 452 as 400 add 50 add 2. If you notice, we have broke down 452 into its hundreds, tens and ones, and then we are going to multiply all of them by 4. So 452 times 4, we are going to multiply each of them individually. So 4 times 400 makes 1,600. 4 times 50 makes a 200. 4 times 2 makes an 8. And then we are going to add all of them together. So 0 add 0 add 8 makes a 8. 0 add 0, 0. 6 add 2 makes an 8, and 1 add nothing makes a 1. So the final answer is 1,808. So we can write 452 times 4 as 1,808. Now we'll move forward towards multiplying 3-digit number by a 2-digit number this time. So there's this example, 246 times 32. So again we are going to break them into its hundreds, tens and ones. And we are going to break this 32 into its tens and 1 as well. So 32 can be written as 30 and 2. And then we will be multiplying all of them together. And then adding the results together. So let's start with multiplying. 30 times 200 makes a 6,000. 30 times 40 makes 1,200. 30 times 6 makes 180. 2 times 200 is 400. 2 times 40 is 80. 2 times 6 is 12. So we will be aligning these together and then add all of them. So this is going to be a 2. This 8 add 1 makes a 17, so 7 here. And 1 will be carried forward. Then 2 add 1, 3 add 4, 7 add 1 makes an 8. And 6 add 1 is 7. So the final answer for 246 times 32 is equal to 7,872. Now let's practice a question. So there's this question, 178 times 46. So we are going to do this question. The first step is chunk down 178 into its hundreds, tens and ones, which can be written as 100, 70 and 8. And the next step is to chunk down 46, which will be 40 and 6. Now we are going to multiply these two first. So 40 times 100 makes 4000. Then 40 times 70 makes 2800. And 40 times 8 gives 320. Then we will do the ones column. So 6 times 100 makes 600. 6 times 70 is 420. And 6 times 8 is 48. And the next step is to add all of them together. So we will add all of these here. 4000, add 2800, add 320, add 600, add 420, add 48. So we will begin with the first ones here. So 0 add 8 makes an 8. Then 2 add 2 makes a 4, and 4 add 4, 8. Then 8 add 3 is 11, 11 add 6 is 17, and 17 add 4 is 21. So 1 here and 2 is carried over at the top. Then 2 add 4 makes a 6, 6 add 2 makes an 8. So there you go. So the final answer for 178 times 46 is 8188. So we have covered all the topics here, multiplying 3-digit number by 1-digit number and 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So it's time to practice some questions. Here are 3 questions. And once again, you can pause this video, and once you are done, you can resume the video to check your answer. These are the final answers. Very well done for trying them, and congratulations if you are correct. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching this, and for more, please visit justtutors.com.